This video will demonstrate how to assemble the Quick Cable stationary battery rack with rollout shelf. To assemble this battery rack, you will need a 1/2 inch socket wrench and companion wrench, a 3/8 inch socket wrench and a rubber mallet. Part 1. Lower Shelf Unit Assembly. Step 1. Attach the casters to the bottom shelf. Note that the bottom shelf is shorter than the top shelf. Each caster has 4 holes that match the holes in each corner of the lower shelf of the rack unit. With the 16 bolts and locking nuts provided, secure the casters to the shelf. Insert bolts through the casters and attach nylon locking nuts. Tighten using a socket wrench and companion wrench. Step 2. Attach the wire shelf to the left end support. Step 3. Attach the rear stop bar to the left end support. Repeat process attaching the right end support to the lower shelf. Pound into place if necessary. Your battery rack comes with 26 tapping screws to secure the rack. Finally, drive the tapping screws into the proper holes to secure the lower shelf unit. That completes the lower shelf unit assembly. Part 2. Upper shelf unit assembly. Before beginning assembly, place the right end support on floor. Notice the placement of the holes. Step 1. Attach the wire shelf to the left end support. Next, attach the rear stop bar to the left end support. Attach the right end support to the shelf and stop bar. Step 4. Drive in remaining screws to secure the shelf unit. Part 3. Securing rack into permanent location. Begin by moving the upper shelf unit to its permanent location. Next, use a hammer drill to drill pilot holes into the floor. Step 3. Use fasteners to secure the shelf unit to the floor. Once the upper shelf unit is secured to the ground, position the lower shelf unit underneath. Next, attach the lower shelf stop plates to the rack and then load the batteries. Finally, attach the upper front bar and the lower front bar to the rack. Be sure to attach the braided ground strap according to local municipal codes. For more videos on stationary power products, visit quickhowto.com.